Hello guys, if you wonder how to use AdBlock on Motorola One Zoom, let me show you. So just go to the Google Play Store. Now you have to type here AdBlock. And I will go for a free ad blocker because I always use it, so I highly recommend it also. Click on the install. Now wait until this finishes downloading and install. Okay, so now it is installing. Now we can open this application. Click on this green button, continue and accept personalized service. Click on this arrow. Click on the proceed. Click on this free ad blocker browser. I will go with always because I don't want any ads on my pages. So now we have to go, for example, on the HardReset.Info website, and I will show you that there will be no any ads. So as you can see, this website is free from the ads, and if you wanna check it, just click here, and as you can see, 4 ads were blocked, and we saved also a couple of megabytes. So this is how it looks on this device. Thank you for the watching. Leave likes, subscriptions, and of course comments below.